Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we're getting a little spooky around these parts. Even though I know it's midway through November, let's just roll with it. We're not gonna talk about it. This is my October Birchbox unboxing. So let's just dive on into it, shall we? So this is the design for October. It's orange and black, typical Halloween colors, and it has all different types of shapes like horseshoes, cherries, a lock, a bumblebee or a dragonfly, four-leaf clover, a rose, and a hand doing artsy things. Usually with these information cards, I just throw them away because it's telling you different things like, oh, it's so fun, this is the theme, how to connect with us on social media, spread the word. But with this is really helpful because it tells you the consistency, tells you what it is and why would you use it. And I've never really kind of understood that. People talk about skincare. I'm trying to get into skincare, but I don't understand. Like, I always tell people the first thing that when I graduate, once I have some good insurance, I'm gonna go see a dermatologist. I'm gonna go see an esthetician. Like, I want personalized skincare products because I have a lot of bad allergic reactions, breakout in hives, my skin scabs over. So that is like at the top of my to-do list. So I'm definitely gonna keep this because once I get a skincare regimen going, I need to know what I'm buying and not just be spending my coins on any and everything. From Comfort Zone, we have their Hydramemory Cream Gel. A full size of this product would retail for $64. So I can't tell which order I'm gonna post the videos, but as you guys may have seen in a previous or in a future video you're gonna see, I have heard of the brand Comfort Zone because of that video. And they do have this very minimal packaging. It just says the name, it says what it is. And the other one, it was in a white tube. This one is in like a periwinkle type color. So I'm thinking that the colors may be indicative of what it's for or if it's from a different treatment line. But this is their 24-hour double hydration cream gel. The other product that I tried was a creamy facial cleanser. And it's described on there that this formula has the light gel-like texture of sorbet, but it's a heavy hitter. So when you say sorbet, light, I'm thinking like light when you eat it or light when it's in its natural form, because you gotta be specific. And again, it mentions that it has hyaluronic acid. I have to look up what hyaluronic acid is because everybody is just throwing around that their products contain it and I don't know what it does, but it must be good for everybody to be putting it in their skincare products. Next from Aero, we have this Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, and it is in the shade Blush Hour. This appears to be a full-size product and it says $15. For me, I would not pay $15 for lip balm just because you can get cheaper. I think you can even get EOS lip balms, like the 2-pack for like $6-7. So I wouldn't pay $15 full size, and I haven't even opened it. Yeah, definitely would not pay $15 for this. It just looks like a regular schmegular lip balm, but we are always happy to have extra chapstick because it is ashy lip season around these parts. Especially in Atlanta, it's been dipping down to the 30s and the 20s, going back up to the 70s. So you just always have to stay strapped with some lip balm. And it says that this is an ultra hydrating formula. It magically adjusts your lips pH and creates a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you, which is interesting because it's talking about doing magic tricks. But this just looks like it looks yellow, so I don't know how it's going to create the magic rosy pink, and there's not a bit of tint to this lip balm. Next up from Beauty Protector, this is a bestseller apparently to Birchbox. This is their Protect and Detangle. A full size of this product retails for $23.50. This is paraben-free and sulfate-free detangler, so it's a hair product. Protects against UV rays and from heat styling. So I don't heat style my hair. I tend to wear either wigs or I wear my hair out in its natural, kinky, coily, curly, natural state. So I don't apply heat to my hair. So I don't anticipate applying heat to my hair. So this is a product that would just kind of sit around for quite some time just because I did get severe heat damage the last time I went to the salon, and that was in February, and I have not straightened my hair again since February. I even did my own trim because I just had trust issues, and I'm trying to find the perfect person to do a curly cut on my hair and just maintain curly cuts. I think going forward, if I want my hair flat ironed, then I'm just gonna resort to wigs. I'm not gonna flat iron my own hair. Next up, this is from MAC Cosmetics. This is their Strobe Cream in the color Pink Light. A full size of this would retail for $34. I remember there was like this big craze of like strobing, highlighting, and what was the difference between the two, and I never decided to delve much deeper. I just thought it was a money grab and people were coming out with different things. And I thought that it was all just highlighting, just a way to make your cheeks look shiny. Ways to make you look like a glazed donut. So the description of this describes it as being skincare meeting makeup moisturizer. It says that it perks up dull, tired skin and has a luminous sheen. It's vitamin and green tea enriched and easily blends into your foundation. It says blends under or over your foundation, so you can use it. I have seen people putting it on in the same way that you would put on your primer and then putting on your foundation, and it gives you a nice glowy dewy finish, or you can put it over your foundation, tapping it on the apples of your cheeks. And this is a good enough amount because if you're using it for either one of those uses, you can get a good amount of use out of this little jar. Also good for travel if you don't want to bring a highlighter. If you just want that natural kind of glow, you can bring that and you don't have to worry about a powder shattering because it's in liquid format. Next, from NatureLab Tokyo, this is considered a clean beauty pick. This is their Perfect Shine Oil Mist. A full size of this product retails for $16. So this is another hair product. And I thought it was a face product, like a oil absorbing face product, but upon reading the information card, it's actually for your hair. And it says that the mist is rich in antioxidants. It prevents damage to your hair and it reflects light off of the oils to make your hair look shiny. So basically it's an oil sheen, and you're just supposed to mist this all over dry hair. So this could work on my natural curls, and then it could also work for somebody who does flat iron their hair. So this is definitely something that at first I was like, it's not gonna work for me. However, upon reading the directions and seeing what it is intended for, it would work fine for my natural curls. And this is a pretty good sized bottle. Again, this is something that I could use daily, and I guess by the end of the week I would be done with it, or you know, I can wash my hair once, twice, and still have enough left over that I could use it every day and be able to actually give an honest depiction like, oh, I really like this, or it didn't really do too much for my hair. And then the final product in this box is from Sunday Riley. This is a bestseller. It is their Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. So this would be the priciest full-size item in the whole box. A full size retails anywhere from $105 to $168. So that is so pricey, but as with any Sunday Riley products that I have ever tried in Birchbox, or any other subscription boxes that I've gotten, I think I've only gotten Sunday Riley and Birchbox. It is a very good skincare brand. Like, it is one of the ones that are up there, that are top tier, that I am definitely willing to invest in once I have those nurse coins, because my skin loves them. And that's one of the things where it's unfortunately with having super sensitive skin, you find that it's either indie brands or it's really, really expensive brands that have the quality, good, natural, wholesome ingredients that my skin really loves and my skin responds very well to. So I have to invest that money because I do like them and their claims are supported. So on the information card it says, this is a bestseller high potency lactic acid treatment. It exfoliates dead skin cells, plumps fine line, and evens out hyperpigmentation. And it also boosts your skin's natural glow. But again, it's not one of those things where I would have to consistently use this to be able to see, does it really work for my skin? I don't think that I would notice results in the time that it would take me to finish this tube. But as I've said, I've tried other Sunday Riley products and I am sold. It's one of those things where I just instantly trust that the brand, their claims are backed by what they say, because I've had good results with 2 out of the 2 products that I've tried from them. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want any in-depth, detailed first impression reviews on any of the products that I mentioned here, definitely let me know down in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see any other beauty related videos, definitely comment down below. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.